Solutions 8 membership is live, and I'm excited. A couple of notes. The first one, there's no reason to do this. This was born from, honestly, our subscribers. A bunch of people have reached out over the months that we've been doing this and offered to support us in various ways, Patreon-esque ways. And to be honest, I am just now getting around to launching this, so please forgive my tardiness. Super grateful to and for all of you. If you do want to, buy us a coffee, basically, is what this amounts to, for folks that are like, hey, we like what you're doing, but we're not necessarily going to become customers for whatever reason. We've launched the membership program. I do want to mention that the membership is more a token than anything else, and you'll see when you join, I have these split up. I think this is funny. Good person, great person. The good person membership level is $2.99, $2.99 a month. You get loyalty badges next to your name in comments and chat. You get to use our custom emojis. Shout out to Julianne for creating awesome custom emojis. And you'll get priority reply to comments. We're falling behind on comments because there are so many more than there used to be, but we'll make sure that our members have priority reply to comments. Great persons. Early access to new videos. So we're going to, and honestly, y'all, it'll be like a day or two. I don't think I'm going to hold anything back longer than that. We'll have some member-only live chats, probably when we're going live, which has been intermittent. So if you sign up only for this reason, then please don't sign up, because we're having a tough time committing to a consistent go live. But when we go live, we're going to keep the live chats, we're going to keep them, what would you say, restricted to members in the beginning and then open them up after the fact. And it's because when we go live, it gets a little overwhelming, to be honest with you. And then member shoutouts, which was just something that YouTube made available to us. So there's not a lot here, and that's kind of by intention. I didn't want to do anything that compromised the value of the channel. I didn't want to start holding content back. Like YouTube allows us to create members-only content. I understand the value proposition, and I'm not faulting anybody who does this, by the way. I think it's great. We're not going to get rich off YouTube. This isn't our primary monetization model or any monetization model. I do like the idea of having the ability to kind of tier our subscriber base, so I know, honestly, where to place our focus and attention, because it's hard if you're getting all of these questions. It makes sense to me that, okay, somebody who's paying $10 a month, which is hopefully not insurmountable for anybody. They're at least in it enough and committed enough to where it makes a little bit more sense for us to prioritize them in the live chat. And I don't want to say anything that's offensive to anybody. So that's the plan for the membership. We're not going to silo this. I don't want to. I want to give everything away. I don't mind making videos come out a couple days early for members. I think that makes a lot of sense. And then I like the ability to do the live chat thing. I did want to show you, though, just if you're interested in doing this for yourself, the way that YouTube customs the way that they put together the membership model. So you can see in monetization, you can go to memberships, and to enable this, you have to have an AdSense account. And I don't have any members because we just launched today, but you can kind of see the way the membership tiers are built. So I could have a third tier, and your tiers, what's really interesting about this is they give you specific prices. So like, you can go all the way up to $100 for super fans. I didn't want to do anything that was, tax relevant, that felt kind of, again, like I was turning the channel into more than it is. And then you can define what the perks are. So I could say early access, exclusive member-only videos. This is the thing that I just didn't want to do. Member-only polls, gameplay with you. I guess that's for like the Twitch type folks. Connecting on social media. I feel like that's exclusive gifts. I thought that one was kind of cool, actually. So you can take a look at what it is that you're offering people, and then customize your membership packages accordingly. Once you've launched, you can't change these. You can only delete and add new ones. So you have to make sure that you're really committed. And then I need to go in and do all the stuff now. So like I have to add an intro video and make sure that we're linking to the ability to join our membership in the descriptions of our videos. So YouTube offers us a bunch of really cool best practices. But I think this is a cool way to do a channel. If you've got a channel out there, even if your subscriber base is small, our subscriber base is small. We've got 7,000 some odd subscribers. Yeah. this is a great way to just make sure you're keeping the lights on, because there are costs to editing and those types of things. And obviously we monetize on the back end. The leads that we get from this are phenomenal. And it's the type of clients that we want to work with too. So this would be worth doing without the membership piece, but it helps, and it might even help us invest in it a little bit more. If I had like a dedicated resource, for instance, coming up with just content and whatever, I think that would be pretty cool. So I'm going to see how this goes. Again, we're not holding anything back from you if you don't join our membership. So I don't want this to feel, I don't want to hold our content hostage. It's not what we're about. But I don't mind money. I like money. And I appreciate all y'all that have offered and brought up supporting us on our channel. Super cool of you. Super grateful. Was this awkward enough? Or should I shoot it again? That's it. I'm going to leave it. Appreciate all y'all. See you tomorrow. Wait, before you go. I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to solate.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.